This is a video to go over how to accept, decline, and edit accessorials in OTM. So you'll navigate to the homepage, tms.westrock.com, enter your login information. And then on the home screen, you'll either have the accessorial approval be your only options or as part of your menu, depending on your user role. There will be an option for the actual menu, and then for this instructional video, which you can watch directly inside of OTM by clicking on it. And then in the accessorial approval menu, when you click into there, you'll have a few different options that you can manually search for accessorial invoices with, including shipment ID, the invoice number, the involved party contact, the color of the indicator, and the status. But for the most part, you'll be searching for these invoices using the saved query here at the bottom. They're separated by either groups or individuals who can search for lists of accessorials that fall under their approval rules. So once you select the saved query, you click Execute Query. And this will show you the results page of accessorials that fall under that saved query. And you can see here the shipment ID, the invoice number, the BOL number will be on here, the amount, and so on and so forth. If you click into the accessorial, you can see some information, or if you want to take action, you can click the checkbox next to it and go to Actions, and that's where you can approve or reject the invoice. So approving the accessorial, once you're on the results page and have the list of accessorials that you want to approve, you can either click into the accessorial, go to the line item tab, double check that the accessorial code is correct and the amount is correct, and then go to Actions at the top and click Approve Invoice. Or back on the results page, click the checkbox next to the accessorial that you want to approve, click Actions, and then approve from there. On the approval screen, you could expand the data here with the little plus sign so that you can see again one last double check of the accessorial code and the amount. However, this field where you can make changes to the amount to pay, you should not make any changes on this screen. If you want to make those changes, you'll need to do that inside of the actual accessorial screen. Once you click OK, you'll see this confirmation screen. And when you go back to the results page, you can refresh the query, and the accessorial that you just approved should fall off the list. If you have an accessorial that needs to be rejected, it's a very similar process to approving. You can either click into the accessorial and say you see on here the $200 escort fee that is not approved. You determine that it's a charge that needs to be declined. You can go to Actions and reject the invoice here. No notes are required on this screen. You can just click OK. And again, you can also do this from the results page by clicking the checkbox next to it and going to Actions on the search page. If you see a valid accessorial that needs to be approved, but it is currently entered for the wrong amount, you can click into the accessorial. The header tab has some general information, but you want to go to the line items tab that actually has the item that they're charging for, and you see here a storage fee of $50 is what's currently on this charge. But say $50 is not the correct charge. We can click the pencil on the charge, and it brings us to this screen where we can change the freight charge here that says $50 to what is the correct amount. So we change it to $25, and then it's best to leave a comment in the upper section right here that says comments. So we can say that the stop-off charge is actually $25 or $50 is not correct, or basically any comments that should be left on this edit of the accessorial. Then we click Save. We go back out here, we confirm that it says $25, and then we click Finished. But this only edits the charge, so we will still need to go back in and approve the accessorial afterwards.